Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I will be comparing the SpO2 sensor on Mi Band 6 with Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and then I'll be comparing their sensors against this dedicated pulse oximeter. So this is a fingertip pulse oximeter, very cheap, very quick and fast. So all you have to do is just put it on your finger like this, put your finger in here, make sure it's stable, then press this button, and within seconds it will give you your pulse rate as well as your oxygen saturation levels. So these little things are very quick and very reliable and very accurate as well. So we'll see how it goes. As compared to these pulse oximeters, these watches actually take quite a bit of setting and time as well. So you have to take into account their instructions, which we'll go through one by one as we will test them against this pulse oximeter. So let's get started. Now I'm going to start with Mi Band 6 first, and I will put this pulse oximeter on my finger simultaneously so we can see, and then we'll have to take into account the instructions that come along with the SpO2 sensor on Mi Band 6. So we have to wear it one finger breadth above the wrist joint, we have to wear it tightly, and then it should be upright facing upwards. So let's get started. We'll go in here and I will turn this on, and I'll also have to be very still here. So I'll turn this on and I will turn this on as well. So there you go. As you can see, within seconds we have a reading on the pulse oximeter, 99%, and my heart rate is there as well. We'll see what we get on the Mi Band 6. Well, it's getting the heart rate right, so that's an assurance. So we have a reading here, but it's still doing its thing. It's less than what we have on the pulse oximeter though. So there you go, we have 96% on Mi Band 6, and heart rate is quite alright. We have 88 heart rate here and 88 here as well. Now I'm going to try the same thing with Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and let's go to the SpO2 sensor. So there we are, and I'll put this pulse oximeter on as well, and here we'll go through the instructions for Galaxy Watch 3 as well. So it will tell you to place your elbow on a table and your wrist near your heart, which I have, and then it will tell you to wear your watch 2 finger breadths above your wrist and wear it tightly as well. So I have done all of that and all set to measure my blood oxygen levels. So I'll tap this one, let it start, and then I'll press OK here, and now we wait. Now for this one I'll actually have to be very still, because otherwise it will detect my movement and will, mess with the result. So there you go, 98% on Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 with 84 heart rate, and what we have here 99% and 86 heart rate on pulse oximeter as well. So the end result here is that the sensors on these watches, on these devices, are pretty accurate if you use them in ideal conditions. They will give you an accurate reading, but quite often the conditions are not right and you do it quickly and you don't follow proper instructions and they give you an inaccurate result. If you follow the instructions, they will give you an accurate result, but you'll have to be very still, you'll have to wear your watch tightly, and you'll have to follow the instructions properly. And there is one very important thing that I've noticed about Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and that is that if you are talking while your watch is measuring your blood oxygen levels, it will mess with the result. It will give you an inaccurate reading, so you'll have to be quiet and very still for Galaxy Watch 3 to give you an accurate result. But anyways, it was a fun video, it was a fun test to compare the SpO2 sensors against a pulse oximeter that gives you an accurate reading. So now we know that the SpO2 sensors on these devices actually work if you use them in ideal conditions, but still it is not advisable that you use the SpO2 sensors on these devices for medical purposes. For that you need more specialist gear, something like this, something that is actually used in clinical settings. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know your use case scenarios for the SpO2 sensors on these devices, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.